Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was yesterday and then where the price closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $2.75. Why is $2.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. But let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens and the price comes all the way down there. Not saying it'll happen, but a drastic pullback. So it goes along like that and starts to head back up. What would you have even after the drastic pullback? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, you'd still have the stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress as staying up above $2.75. Now, what about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward as it stands right now. You can see the majority of the congestion right up here around 355, give or take a few pennies. But that'll be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Great way to close out the week. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.